Plans to house up to 400 asylum seekers at a disused military barracks in Folkestone have provoked a furious response from the local MP and council. They've accused the government of exceptionally poor communication and are asking the Home Secretary to withdraw the proposal, which could see people arriving as early as next week. Simon Jones reports.
The military barracks in Folkestone have in recent years been home to the Gurkhas, but now this site, the disused Napier barracks, is set to house hundreds of asylum seekers as the government struggles to find accommodation for new arrivals. It's thought they'll be free to use local shops and amenities.
The Home Office seem to have made a decision and Napier barracks could be being used to home asylum seekers as early as Monday next week. And I think really there's been very little consultation about this, and that's why we've written to the Home Secretary to get answers to some basic questions about the safety of this site, how it will work and what guarantees there are for the local community.
In the letter to Priti Patel, the MP and council leaders say they have great concerns about the impact this large open camp will have on the welfare of the local residential community, also on those people in the asylum system. Their message: we would ask that you reverse this decision. The arrival this year of more than 6,000 migrants by boat has put pressure on the system, but one group supporting migrants in Kent also has questions.
We don't know if people are going to be locked up here or if they're free to come and go. The buildings were earmarked for demolition, so we don't know what kind of a state they're in. We don't know how people are going to socially distance in there, what kind of facilities they're going to have. It's a really serious concern.
The MOD has previously given support to the Home Office in the form of surveillance aircraft in the Channel. In a statement, the Home Office says the MOD has now offered the use of some of its sites. That will ensure vulnerable asylum seekers have suitable accommodation. It insists it works closely with organisations, including local authorities and law enforcement. Mixed views near the barracks.
But what about the homeless people and people local who've got problems? You know, where are they? They're not getting any help, are they?
And local politicians now want to know how long the site will be used for. The Home Secretary will now be clear about the anger felt by the local MP, but she faces a big problem about where to house all the people arriving in the UK claiming asylum, and that is made more complex by the coronavirus situation and the need for social distancing. And today, more people have arrived by boat.